100% practical digital marketing course in Pune. Yes, you heard it right. 100% practical digital marketing course in Pune. If you really want to learn digital marketing, so learn it practically. Why? Because theoretical training or theoretical knowledge will not help you to grow. If you really want to make career in digital marketing, what will help? Theoretical or practical? Definitely practical. So what will we are giving you is, we give you 100% project based training. We give you 80 plus real time projects. First you need to work on theory, you need to clear your concept, then you have to work on your practical, then you have to work on the projects, then you need to practice on that project. So this is the process that you have to apply, and digital training will help you to gain a perfect practical knowledge, right? So definitely, job seekers, are you a job seeker or a business owner or a freelancer, or do you want to develop your digital marketing skill or marketing skill? So definitely you need a practical training. See, you know Facebook ads, you know Google ads, you know performance marketing, you know, but how to apply on projects, how to drive results from Facebook ad, how to drive results from performance marketing, how to rank my website using SEO, how to do organic search engine optimization or search engine marketing. So everything from basics to advanced, I'll show you the models. All the models you need to work on projects. We will give you the projects. You need to work on that projects, and if you apply it, if you practice it, it will get into your mind for a long time or for a lifetime. So definitely, if you're really serious about digital marketing, just call on this number. Just take a screenshot or call on this number, or fill the form. Fill the form. Just click below link and fill the form. Take our demo session. After that, if you find our trainer is well trained, or we can say, you can just check my Instagram, check my YouTube, check my all the testimonials and everything. If you find it trusted, then only join our institute. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.